Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, September 1st. I was looking for some follow through to the upside, basically an unchanged type day here in the NASDAQ market. It pretty much gave us that as we break to the downside. Again, buyers step right back up. My feelings is people evening their positions up. I do not expect Thursday to be a big day unless we get something unexpected. So right now I'm looking for Thursday to be unchanged to higher, but not a dramatic move as people wait for Friday's numbers. Let's see what's going on with that dollar. And you can see here in the euro, maybe we've gotten low enough to find a little bit of buying. Nothing to write home about, but the idea of this behavior is logical in terms of levels, that is slowing down some. And I think we have to be prepared for that possibility of follow through to the upside. Well, if we look at interest rates, sideways move, inside day is the kind of the day we were talking about yesterday. I think this also makes sense. I'm looking for more of the same when it comes to Thursday's action. If we move on to gold, gold did break lower. There's no reason for gold to rally right now, and that's really what we're seeing. I think this level is also a good level for this market to slow down a bit, and I look for Thursday's action to be inside of the range of Wednesday's action. In crude oil, inventories build. We have things here that just aren't fundamentally strong for crude oil. So further movement to the downside, I think that's a very good possibility, even though in Asia right now we are just a little bit firmer, but I'm looking for this to back off, maybe test that $44 level. That would be the next logical level and give us a bit of a bounce. But a rest for that market, I think, makes sense. And when it comes to soybeans, there's just no good news out there for this market. And so to see it move to the upside, I don't see that happening. But again, I think we need to be cautious here. I would not want to be a seller at these levels. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Oh, something I forgot to tell you about. I just realized that as I was saying that, and that's our friend natural gas. I should tell you what's going on there in that market. We are firming up a bit, but it traded just a tad bit below that bearish level. And the magnitude change in that market between the bullish and bearish level, this magnitude change is $1,700 per contract. And so I just want to mention that because I'll probably get a few emails from people when I forget to mention certain things. So that's the magnitude change here. I do look for follow through to the upside, but a quiet day on Thursday. Now, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I do look forward to being with you tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.